Beautiful. What a beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower. Beware. Beware of the dog. Beware of the dog. By God's grace. By God's grace. Congratulations. You have passed your driving test. Congratulations. You have passed your driving test. Congratulations. Done wonderfully. Done wonderfully. How dare? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? How absurd. How absurd. How disgraceful. How disgraceful. How disgusting. How disgusting. How joyful. How joyful. How lovely. How lovely. How sad. How sad. How sweet. How terrible. How terrible. How tragic. How tragic. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, please. Is it? Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. May God bless you. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Same to you. Same to you. Well done. Well done. What a great victory. What a great victory. What a pity. What a pity. What a shame. What a shame. What a surprise. What a surprise. What an idea. What an idea. What nonsense. What nonsense. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.